Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and the video today comes from a subscriber that sent me an email wanting to know how they could make their shortcut key a V when the V is already being used by the roughing tool, and I think that's default. I've never used the roughing tool, and I definitely don't need a shortcut for it. I did not have this done, and they wanted to do it, so I thought I'd show how to do it. So I just made a video kind of like this the other day where you could change some of these things up here, but let's go to Tools, Customization, go down to Commands, and if you don't know where it is, just go to the roughing tool and double click on it and it brings it up. Then go to Shortcut Keys and there it is, V. So what you can do is highlight it and just delete it and then hit OK. Then let's go back to Tools, Customization, Commands, but this time we're going to go to the Virtual Segment Delete key, and there it is right there, and click on it, go to Shortcut Keys, press, I must have lost it, double click on it, and then just type in the letter V, put a sign, and then hit OK. Now, you'd want to go to Tools and save as default. So now, when you draw something and you want to delete those keys and you've got your pick tool, all you have to hit is the letter V and you get your virtual segment delete key. I keep calling it a virtual segment delete key. It's just the virtual segment delete. So now that's the V, and the roughing has nothing. So that's how you can make a new one or change an old one if it's already being used on something that you'll never use. There's a lot of shortcut keys that I never use, and I wouldn't think a lot of people like the S. That's good for smooth. I use the smooth tool a lot. The eraser I don't ever use, but it's X. F6. Eclipse. Polygon tool Y. That's pretty cool. So if you're on that and you just hit the letter Y, you get your polygon tool. But you could change that and make it another, you can't use the letter P because the letter P puts things in the center of the page. You don't want to change that. I use that tool every day. Anyway, I hope this helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.